This is my review of the Touchstone 80004 Sideline in-wall recess mounted 50-inch fireplace. As you can see, I have the wood logs currently installed. It also comes with the crystal stones. It can be controlled via this Touchstone remote, power button, flame settings, light output, heater, and timing. It can also be controlled via the control panel inside the unit itself. So let's turn it on. So that is the just red flame. You have a blue flame and then the combination thereof. You have 5 different light settings. This is the highest. The heat output is a 1500 watt or 750 watt. Finally, the timer can be set in half-hour increments to automatically turn off the unit. Overall, the light output is very bright. It's good quality. The flames and the logs look very realistic. So this is what it looks like with all the lights turned off. That is the highest brightness setting. Overall, very happy with the purchase.